So, sir, nako, isa po sa itong pinag-uusapan natin na Bangsamoro Open Invitational Tournament. Ayan. So, bakit po ito ang naisipan natin, Sir Conding, na isa sa mga itatampok natin na activities natin with our Bangsamoro community? Ito po ba ay dadaluhan ng mga taga Bangsamoro lang, or ito rin ay open invitation sa iba't iba pang mga communities, and even non-Muslims, it's also open for them po ba?
Yeah, I failed to mention that this tournament is in collaboration with the Malaysian Chamber of
Ayun. Uy,
Council
magandang.
of the Philippines. Yeah.
Oy, magandang
So,
cooperation
in
Alam
fact,
talaga.
established.
in
Oo.
fact, Nolis Dan, the ambassador of Malaysia, will be joining the tournament, as well as the top diplomats in the Malaysian embassy will be also the
Okay.
tournament.
Wow.
And I'm very, very, I salute the Malaysian government for their interest, for their sincerity to make sure that the Bangsamoro people will be, will come up
Mhm.
into a uh, to
Eh,
speak. They will come up in improving their economic condition.